In episode 2 on Transfer of Property Act 1882, I welcome you all viewers. We started with transfer of property, and in last episode we saw what is TOP and some definitions. In this episode I plan to cover definition of transfer of property, some examples, what property cannot be transferred and what can be transferred. Now, section 5 of the act defines transfer of property means any act by which a living person conveys property in present or in future to A, one or more living persons, B, to himself. For example, vesting of one's own property in a trust where he becomes a sole transfer trustee, or C, himself and one or more living persons. Please note, transfer as per section 5 does not require the person to be owner of the property. The concept is election, which we shall see in coming episodes. Only requirement is transfer should be between two living persons. Also, transfer does not mean conveyance of all the interest of the transferor in the property. For example, in case of mortgage or lease, the transferor still owns the property and does not transfer all his interest in the property to the other. Property situated outside India can also be transferred. Now, what are the kinds of transfer of property? One is sale, which is out and out transfer of a ownership of a property for some money consideration. Please note, this is important. Exchange. It is a sale, but consideration is not money but another property. Gift. There is no consideration involved in the gift. Mortgage. Transfer of limited interest in immovable property and not all the interest. Lease. Transfer of right to enjoy the immovable property for a certain period of time or in perpetuity. Leave and license. There is no transfer of any interest, although licensee acquires a right to occupy the property. Exclusive possession. Actionable claim. It is a claim to an unsecured debt or a claim to any beneficial interest in movable property not in possession of the claimant. We shall see all this in coming episodes. Living person. This includes companies, registered and unregistered associations, and partnership firms as well. Idol. Idol is considered as a juristic person but not a living person. So idol can own the property, but dedication to idol is not considered transfer and so need not be made in writing nor registration is required. The expression property does not include future property which is non-existent today. Please note, so the future word in definition is with respect to time and not with respect to property. Thus, the transfer of a future property which is not existent today is not valid. But a contract to transfer such property when it comes into existence is a valid contract. Now, examples which are not transfer of property. 1. Partition. There were contradictory judgments of Bombay High Court, Kerala High Court earlier, but later Madras High Court and thereafter finally Supreme Court has held that partition there is no transfer of assets. There is a case of Keshav Lal of 1965. However, a compromise arrangement in consideration of a sum amounts to transfer, which is as per judgment of Madras High Court. Family arrangement Supreme Court has held is not a transfer. Relinquishment or a release deed. Extinguishment of a right does not amount to transfer. However, if the person in whose favor the release is executed gets certain rights by virtue of such release, then it is a transfer. Surrender of a lease, not a transfer, Calcutta High Court has held. Easement, Calcutta High Court again says creation of easement does not amount to transfer. So the property still remains with the transferee or transferor. Charge on a property is not a transfer, which is held by Calcutta High Court, and as the only right created in right of payment out of the property. Will, of course, is not transfer as it operates after the death of the person, and it's not the transfer between two living persons. Now let's see which property cannot be transferred. Section 6. There are 13 kinds of properties which cannot be transferred. To name a few, let me state something. One is space succession is, that is a chance of a relation obtaining a legacy on death of a relation. So mere hope of succession, if it is there, then such chance is not a property, and as such the transfer is void. To give you an example, A has a wife B and daughter C. A pays the daughter 5 lakh rupees, and in consideration of that, daughter executes a release of her right to share in the inheritance of A's property. After A's death, the daughter claims her share. The wife resists the claim, citing the release deed. The wife will not succeed in this case, as release is no defense, as it is a transfer of space succession is. Second, an easement apart from dominant heritage cannot be transferred unless it accompanies the transfer of property to which it is attached. That means the easement will get transferred only if the dominant property to which it is attached is also transferred. Mere right to sue. For example, damages for breach of contract. Case where a person publishes a libel against B. B has right to sue A to recover the damages, but B cannot assign this right to somebody else. Now further, stipends allowed to military, naval, air force and civil pensioners of government cannot be transferred. Further, no transfer can be made for the unlawful object or consideration within the meaning of section 23 of the Indian Contract Act. Further, a transfer cannot be made to a person who is legally disqualified to be a transferee. So attempted sale of an actionable claim to a judge would be void. We shall see what is meant by actionable claim in future episodes. Now, these were only some examples. Barring these 13 types of clauses mentioned in section 6, all other property can be transferred. So we stop here today. Next episode, we shall see persons competent to transfer, that means who all can transfer the property, effect of transfer, and what is oral transfer. Can a property be transferred orally as well? Thank you. For any legal further consultation, please write to me at advsdbapat@gmail.com. Thank you once again.